Every year, countless birds become entangled in discarded netting. Without intervention, their chances of survival are slim.
While many pass by, unaware, these birds face a life-threatening struggle against the netting.
Seeing them fly free, especially at this hour, reminds you what this is all about. Another life saved.
Easy now, easy. We're almost there. You're gonna be okay.
Don't struggle. I've got you. You're safe now.
Just a little more. There you go. You're safe now. Easy now, little one. We're almost there. Just a little more.
Easy now, easy. You're almost free. We'll get you back to your baby.
You're safe now, little ones. Don't worry, I've got you.
It's okay, little ones. You're safe now. You're safe now, little ones. We're almost home.
All right, guys, easy now. You're safe in here. We're almost home.
You guys are safe now. We're almost home. Don't worry, little ones. We're almost home now. You're safe. You're safe now, little ones. We're almost home. Don't worry, I've got you. You're both gonna be okay. Steady now. Almost ready. Don't you worry now. You're safe with us. We'll have you flying again in no time.
Just a little longer now. You're doing so well. Almost clean. We'll have you flying free soon.
It's okay, little one. This will help the purple go away. You're doing so well.
It's all right, little one. We're almost done. You're safe now.
Almost done. You're being very brave.
It's okay, little ones. Just a little mist to keep you hydrated and calm.
go, little ones. Eat up. You're safe now.
There you go, little friend. You're safe now. Just eat up and get your strength back.
Nice and slow. That's it. You're doing great.
Just a little more milk for you, buddy. You're doing great. There you go. You're safe now. Just a little longer and you'll be good as new.
Look at that. Go on, get back to your family.
There you go, little one. Fly free. And don't you worry, we'll take care of your little brother right here.
Go on, little one, fly free. And you, don't worry, you're safe now.
It's incredible to see them thrive after everything they've been through. They are ready to go back to the wild.
It's okay, little ones. You're safe now. We'll get you strong and back to the sky.
That's it, keep eating. You're safe now. Soon you'll be flying free again.
Hey there, little one. You're safe now. It's all right.
You did so well today, little ones. You're safe now.
Look at you two. You're strong now, ready to go home.
It's moments like this that make it all worthwhile. They're strong, healthy, and ready for release.
It's all right, little ones. You're safe now. Time to get strong.